Hello, how are you? Today we shall discuss about block level elements in HTML. There are two types of elements such as block level element and inline element. If we do not understand these concepts, later we will have the difficulty to organize elements properly on the page. And later in CSS you can declare some elements as block level elements or remove the property block level from particular elements. This will affect how things are organized on page, and maybe you are working on a project that has already elements declared as block level element, and if you try to organize them you will have difficulty if you do not understand this concept. So let us discuss about this today. So here is an illustration. All these three items are paragraphs. First paragraph, and this area, green area, is represents a document and there is little bit of margin, and the first paragraph covers the whole width of the document. Second paragraph has only 2 words and third paragraph has also only 2 words, and they have lots of space after them on their line. So question may arise, maybe on the output this green grass may rise and sits beside the blue sky paragraph. So let us see practically what happens when we try to write some code. So here is the code editor. In previous lecture we described how first HTML page or a sample HTML page can be put together shortly with minimum tags. So we can copy this whole thing and maybe remove the paragraph from here, and inside body we can add whatever tags we like. That is one way, but there is also another way. I did not talk about this before, but almost all code editors have this feature. If you type the exclamation mark then, and if you click the M8 abbreviation, you will find that whole document has been typed for you, and you can change the title and add your content here inside the body tag. And these meta tags I did not discuss before. We shall discuss about this later, and we shall discuss about the parts within the head tag, but I discussed title before. So let us change the title. What will be the title? Maybe Scenic Beauty of Hills. So this is our title, and then in the body let's add one paragraph. And what shall we add? Same thing, Scenic Beauty of Hills. So maybe add also enjoy the. Okay, now let's try to check the output. So we have actually I have typed the content on this file block level element.html. So on the file explorer we have this file, and double click and you have the output here, and you can check the source code here. View selection source, view page source, and then you have same code here. And also there is another way to check code. It is really helpful, so it is better to remember it. So right click and inspect or shortcut Q. So here we have the paragraph, and you see if you hover over the paragraph it covers the whole area from left to right and within the yellow border. So let us try to take another paragraph. So I will copy and paste below, save. We may think that because the second paragraph is below the first paragraph, maybe it will go under the first paragraph in the output. Let us see. Actually it has sit below the first paragraph, but that is not the reason. It is actual reason. actually the space here from here to here has no value. So why there is no value? Let's try to see. I'll delete this part, all these P. I'll delete them. So they are not paragraph anymore. So we may, our intuition may say that this lines will be, first line will be at the top and second line will be at the bottom. Okay, so let's see. You see, they come together because the space has no value at all in the output. Although if you try to check in the source, you will see that there is space in the source. It is actually what we have already typed in our code editor. I am saying so many things because you properly understand the spacings. So I shall undo. Why they come like first one is at the top and second one is at the bottom. Here I am saying the actual reason, real reason, because they are block level elements. And block level element take the whole width of the document. So save and reload here. And you see the inside the body we have the first one covers the whole width of the document and second one also. And paragraph is block level element. I should have mentioned it before. There are other block level elements such as heading. For that reason they cannot sit side by side. Let us try to decrease the length and try to see the output. So I'll just keep the first word for the first, and maybe for the second I'll give the hills. And let's try to reload, and you see it doesn't matter, the length does not matter because they are block level, they will not sit side by side. Hopefully the concept is clear about this block level element. It is very important in HTML and also in CSS. In my early days I sometimes had difficulty to understand this concept, but I want that you are clear about it. Thank you. See you later. Bye.